Imagine this. You send a message, someone intercepts it, but all they see is meaningless data. That's cryptography doing its job. If you're preparing for the WGU Introduction to Cryptography exam, your goal isn't just knowing algorithms, it's understanding why cryptography works, when to use each technique, and what problem it actually solves. In this video, we'll work through practice questions that reflect how cryptography concepts are tested at Western Governors University. Let's turn secure theory into clear decisions.
Question number 1. Which of the following best describes lightweight cryptography? A. Cryptography that focuses solely on increasing encryption strength. B. Cryptographic methods that are only applicable in military settings. C. A method of encryption that is outdated and rarely used. D. Cryptographic algorithms designed for resource-constrained environments. Correct answer. D. Cryptographic algorithms designed for resource-constrained environments. Explanation. Lightweight cryptography is designed for devices with limited resources, like IoT sensors, RFID, and smart cards. It provides strong security while using low power, memory, and processing capacity. Its main goal is efficient and secure encryption for resource-constrained environments. Question number 2. What is the significance of the nobody but us, (NOBUS) principle in cryptography? A. It refers to a cryptographic key that can be accessed by anyone. B. It denotes a cryptographic algorithm with known weaknesses. C. It represents a widely used encryption standard. D. It indicates that a vulnerability is so difficult to exploit that only the entity that created it can exploit it. Correct answer, D. It indicates that a vulnerability is so difficult to exploit that only the entity that created it can exploit it. Explanation. NOBUS, nobody but us, is the idea that a vulnerability can be exploited only by the organization that created or knows about it. It is often discussed in government surveillance and backdoor access debates. Critics argue that once a weakness exists, others may eventually discover and exploit it too. Question number 3. Which is a primary reason for ethical concerns about encryption? A. It only benefits large corporations. B. It complicates government access to potentially crucial information. C. It provides faster data transmission. D. It reduces data storage requirements. Correct answer. B. It complicates government access to potentially crucial information. Explanation. The main ethical concern about encryption is that strong encryption can block government and law enforcement access to important data. While encryption protects privacy and security, it can also make investigations more difficult. Debates focus on balancing personal privacy with public safety and lawful access. Question number 4. Why is lightweight cryptography important in modern information security? A. To complicate data protection measures. B. To ensure secure communication on high-speed networks. C. To limit the use of encryption tools in organizations. D. To address the security needs of Internet of Things, IoT devices, and mobile applications. Correct answer, D. To address the security needs of Internet of Things, IoT devices, and mobile applications. Explanation. Lightweight cryptography is important for securing IoT devices, mobile apps, and embedded systems with limited resources. It provides strong security while using low power, memory, and processing capacity. This helps protect modern connected devices from cyber threats efficiently. Question number 5. What is a focus of the ISO/IEC 27001 standard? A. Development of new encryption algorithms. B. Risk management and continuous improvement of information security. C. Enforcement of criminal penalties for data breaches. D. Exclusively addressing network security. Correct answer. B. Risk management and continuous improvement of information security. Explanation. ISO/IEC 27001 focuses on managing and improving information security through a structured ISMS approach. It uses risk management, security controls, audits, and continuous improvement to protect information. The standard covers many security areas, including access control, incident management, and cryptography. Cryptography isn't about memorizing algorithms. It's about thinking like a defender. Practice questions like these help you translate abstract concepts into real security decisions. Avoid common cryptography misconceptions. Build confidence for both the exam and real-world scenarios. If you want more WGU-style cryptography practice questions, check the link in the description for additional exam-focused resources on cert boosters. Subscribe for more clear, scenario-driven certification prep that helps you understand why the answer works, not just which one is correct. Good luck on your exam, and remember, strong security starts with strong reasoning.